Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter division skill builders, and the lessons we're going to cover today are divide by 1, divide by 2, divide by 3, 4 and 5, right? So here I am on. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is divide by 1. Okay, the first example is 4 divided by 1. So whenever we divide a number by 1, the answer is exactly the same number, right? You can see the table. 1 divided by 1 is 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2, 3 divided by 1 is 3, and 4 divided by 1 is 4, right? So whatever number you are dividing by 1, the answer is exactly the same number, right? So no matter what the number is, if you are dividing by the 1, the answer is the same number, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is 9 divided by 1. So which is the correct option? Any number divided by 1 equals the same number, right? So 1 divided by 9 is 9. No, it's actually 9 divided by 1, sorry. Okay, 1 divided by 1 equals, yes, 1 divided by 1 equals 1. The correct option is 1. 4 divided by 1 equals, whatever number you are dividing by 1 is, the answer is exactly the same number, right? So 4 divided by 1 is 4. The next one is 3 divided by 1, which is the correct option. Yes, 3 divided by 1 equals 3. The correct option is 3. 8 divided by 1 equals. Yes, 8 divided by 1 equals 8. The correct option is 8. Okay, the next one is 7 divided by 1. So 7 divided by 1 equals. 7 divided by 1 equals 7, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. This is very easy lesson. Any number divided by 1 equals the same number, right? Now we're going to start with divide by 2. We're going to learn how do we divide by 2. So basically division and multiplication are opposite to each other, right? You need to count a table of 2 when you are dividing. Let's start with the practice questions. Let me explain how. You need to count a table of 2 until the number. You are given 4 divided by 2, right? So you need to count the table of 2 until you get 4, right? So 2 times 2 makes 4, right? That means 2 times 2 makes 4. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2, right? 4 divided by 2 is 2, right? Because 2 times 2 makes 4. So you can divide 4 by 2. The answer is 2. The correct option is 2. Okay, the next one is 8 divided by 2. You need to count a table of 2 until you get the answer 8. So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Very good. Okay, the next one is 18 divided by 2. You need to count a table of 2 until 18. So 2 times what number is 18? The correct option is very good. 2 divided by 2 times 9 makes 18, right? You need to count a table of 2 until 18. So 2 times 9 is 18, right? Yes, basically that is dividing in the groups. 12 divided by 2. You need to count a table of 2 until 12. So which is the correct option? 2 times 6 is 12, right? The correct option is very good. The correct option is 6 because 2 times 6 is 12. Got it? 1. Okay, the next one is 2 divided by 2. So, which is the correct option? When you divide a number by itself, answer is always 1, right? So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. A number divided by itself is always a 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Got it? The next one is 6 divided by 2, which is the correct option. 2 times what number is 6? 2 times what number is 6? 2 times 3 is 6. The correct option is 3. 10 divided by 2 equals 2 times what number is 10? Yes, that is 5. 2 times 5 makes 10. The correct option is 5. Okay, the next one is 14 divided by 2. So, which is the correct option? 2 times what number makes 14? Very good. The correct option is 7. 2 times 7 makes 14. 4 divided by 2, which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is 7. 2 times 7 makes 14. 2 times what number is 4? Yes, that is 2 times 2 is 4, so the correct option is 2. 8 divided by 2 equals, that is 2 times what number is 8? 4 divided by 2, which is the correct option? 2 times 4 is 8. The correct option is 4. Okay, the next lesson is divide by 3. We have done with division by 2. Now we're going to learn how do we divide by 3. So basically the concept of division is same, right? Division is opposite to multiplication. So you need to work on tables if you want to be good with division, right? Just look at this table. 3 divided by 3 is 1. That is exactly the opposite of the table, right? So that means division is opposite to multiplication. Okay, 9 divided by 3. You need to count the table of 3 until 9. So 3 times what number is 9? You need to count the table of 3 until 9. So 3 times what number is 9? 3 times 3 is 9. The correct option is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. The next one is 24 divided by 3, which is the correct option? You need to count a table of 3 until 24. So 3 times what number is 24? 3 times 8 is 24. The correct option is 8, right? 3 times 8 is 24. The correct option is 8. 27 divided by 3. You need to count a table of 3 until 27. So 3 times what number is 27? 3 times what number is 27? Yes, 3 times 9 is 27. The correct option is 9. Okay, the next one is 6 divided by 3. 3 times what number is 6? Yes, that is 3 divided by 2 is 6. The correct option is 2. The correct option is 3. 3 divided by 2 is 6. 15 divided by 3. 3 times what number is 15? 3 times 5 is 15. The correct option is 5. You need to count a table of 3 until 5. The answer is 15. Got it? The next one is 3 divided by 3, which is the correct option. 3 divided by 3 equals 'Yes, the correct option is 1. A number dividing by itself is always a 1, right? The correct option is 1. The next one is 18 divided by 3, which is the correct option. 3 times what number is 18? 3 times what number is 18? The correct option is 6, right? 3 times 6 makes 18. So the correct option is 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, that is divide by 4. Now we're going to see how do we divide by 4. So basically the division is same. You just have to use the concept and you have to divide them exactly the same. Let's start with the next lesson, that is divide by 4. Now you have to read the table of 4 until the given number, right? Like for example, you are given 16 divided by 4. So which is the correct option? 4 times 4 is 16, right? You need to count a table of 4 until 16. So 4 times 4 is 16. Very good. The next one is 36 divided by 4. You need to count a table of 4 until 36. So 4 times what number is 36? 4 times what number is 36? You need to work on the tables, right? So start working on the tables from today so that you can be perfect with multiplication and division also, right? 4 times 9 is 36. The next one is 32 divided by 4. 4 times what number is 32? Which is the correct option? 4 times 8 is 32. The correct option is 8, right? You can count 4 until 8. The answer is 32. The correct option is 8. The next one is 8 divided by 4. 4 times what number is 8? 4 times 2 makes 8, right? So here you have 2. Got it? The next one is 16 divided by 4, which is the correct option. 4 times 4 is 16. The correct option is 4. 28 divided by 4. 4 times what number is 28? 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times what number is 20? 4 times 5 is 20, right? The correct option is 5. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next one. The next one is divide by 5. We're going to learn how do we divide by 5. Okay, the next one. The first one is 15 divided by 5. You need to count a table of 5 until you get the answer 15. So 5 times what number is 15? 5 times 3 makes 15. The correct option is 3. Got it? Very good. The next one is 45 divided by 5. 5 times what number is 45? 5 times 9 is 45. The correct option is 9. 40 divided by 5. 5 times what number is 40? 5 times 8 is 40. The correct option is 8. 10 divided by 5. 5 times what number makes 10? 5 times 2 makes 10. The correct option is 2. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 5 times 7 makes 35, right? Five divided by 5 equals yes, 1 is the correct option. Very good. 25 divided by 5 equals yes, 5 it is. 50 divided by 5 equals yes, 10 it is. The correct option is 10. 30 divided by 5 equals very good. 5 times 6 makes 30. The correct option is 6. The next one is 20 divided by 5. So, which is the correct option? 5 times 4 makes 20. The correct option is 4, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 3 math. Chapter we're working on is division skill builders. And the lessons we have covered today are divide by 1, divide by 2, divide by 3, divide by 4, and divide by 5, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need my help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any question related to the lessons we have just finished, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.